So I have been waiting for like 2 months for these to come in, and I cannot wait to show you guys. And apparently my cat is excited to show you guys too. All right, hopefully you guys will be able to see this. There's a lot of reaction, so let's see how these turned out. These have been on like the ocean for like a month, so hopefully they're in good shape. Kind of nervous, to be honest, because I just waited for so long. Actually, I guess I need to probably turn this. Okay. Fine. Cut this very carefully. Oh, we just got a glimpse. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. I'll be able to show you guys. You've got to be kidding me. Dude, you've got to be kidding me. These are so sick. Here, I'll just do this. Because I want to pull it out all the way, because I do need to move them, but check it out, boys. Oh my god, dude. I am so freaking stoked. This outer rim is all gloss carbon fiber, and then I went with a matte black on the spokes. I just thought the contrast was pretty sick. The renders look really cool, but in person, like, my gosh, it doesn't even compare. They even sent me a video, and like the video looks sick, but dude, Jesus is gonna lose his mind. These are so sick, guys. I cannot wait to put these on the car. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to unbox these with you guys, give you a live reaction. I cannot wait to put these on the car. I'm beyond excited. 3 came in today. We're getting the 4th one tomorrow. So I actually do need to put new tires on my car because mine are pretty toast. So these will go on pretty soon. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.